How to return items on Amazon and get refund. So let's get started. First of all, log into the Amazon account that you ordered the item with. After that, click Orders on the top right of your screen. After that, click Return or Replace Items next to the item you want to return. The Return or Replace Items button should be to the right of the order that you want to return. Clicking this will bring you to the next page in the return process. Now explain the reason that you want to return the item. Select the reason for the return in the drop-down menu. The different options include defective items, no longer needed, the wrong size, and other options. Click the option that best suits the situation and then hit the submit button. You can also add more details about the return in the text box under the drop-down menu, but it is not necessary. Request a refund or a replacement for the item. If you want your money back for the item, click the refund button. If the item you got was defective and you just want another one, you can click replacement. Once the refund is initiated, it typically takes 3 to 7 business days to show on your account. Refunds will be put on the card that you purchased the item with, or you will receive a credit your Amazon account if the item was a gift. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.